Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of April 29th through May 5th. It is crazy that it is May, but here we are. Anyway, I have a small mini kit from Hurricane Randi that I'm going to use this week. It has all these hot air balloons and florals. I think it's so cute. Some skinny bottom washi, so I might add some washi to that. Some boxes, a few headers, some checklists, so on and so forth. I pulled out this washi, which is from Scott Expressions, not sure where it's from. I pulled out this one from Amazon, this one from Michaels, these three skinny ones, probably also from Amazon, and then these four from AliExpress. So that is what I have. It comes with only 4 today headers and 4 to-do headers. So what I'm actually going to do is these two washi tapes combined are basically the same width as one header. So I could do just one of them double stacked, but I think I might use these two, which is going to be a little crazy, but I'm just going to go with it. So my plan is to, along the top, put today and to do alternating, leave one to do for the sidebar, and then yeah, that's the plan. So we're gonna see how that goes today. So I am going to speed you through all of that stuff. I think, yeah, so I'm gonna put down the bottom washi, probably the weekend banner, and all my headers, and then I will be right back. So getting these straight turned out to be super challenging. They're mostly not straight now, but I do like how it turned out. I mean, like there's some shimmer there. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm not really sure. All right, next up, let's deal with the full boxes. So there are only 7 full boxes included with the kit. So I'm just gonna leave one off of Saturday because Saturdays tend to be pretty busy for us anyway. And if it's not, I'll just fill it in with something when we get there. Like I have a ton of washi tape to fill it in with, if necessary. Okay. So let me see. I feel like there's 3 florals. Well, let me see. What do I want the quote box spot to be? Guess I'll use this one. I don't really know why. I just like it. Okay. My eye is very drawn to this one because it's a different color. So I'm gonna put them all in the middle this week because I just feel like that. That is not at all straight. Good news is apparently I can lift these up. Next up, I'm gonna do florals, I think. And then I guess I'll use the blue hot air balloons for Sunday. And then the white ones on Tuesday. And then this box for Monday. It's a little gap, but I'm totally fine with that. All right, I'm gonna use this in a minute on the sidebar. I'm going to use the weekend banner. I'm going to, let me see if I can find my tweezers. There we go. All right, I'm going to cover up like a little bit of the box, but I think that's gonna be fine. Yeah, I like that, how that looks. And then I'm also gonna use some of these check boxes. Do I want them to match or not match? It's like the question. I guess I'll have them match. So I'm just gonna put them under these headers up here. Just like I did this past week with the boxes and everything. This is the first time using a Hurricane Randi kit, so I am excited about that. I like trying out new kits. Just seeing how it goes. This one's a little challenging because it's a mini kit, but that's okay. All right. So I do have one habit tracker that comes with it, and I think I'm going to pull in the same washi that I use in the bottom in my sidebar, because like basically everything is pink. So I have this to do, I have this habit tracker, I have this one checklist left, and then I have this checklist box left. Yeah, so I'm going to try to divide things up with a little bit of blue washi, just so that it's a little bit less overwhelming. So I'm just going to start out with a strip of washi. I lost my slice tool for a minute there. Why am I trying to do this with the planner like all open? Okay. There's that, and then I'm just going to head it with to do, and that's just going to mean all my like everything that's happening during the week, basically. And then another strip of the washi. And I think I'm going to put down the to-do list first, actually. So that like the stripes aren't overwhelming. Actually, I think it could go down here. All right. Never mind, I will just do this in the regular order of things. All right, so put that in. Another strip of washi. This washi is like really trippy because it's clearly only one width, but it also like looks like it's growing somehow. I don't really know how that happens. So I'm gonna put this down next. And that one is going to be for stuff for my thesis this week. And then put down another strip of this washi. I actually think that this pink goes with some of the other colors in the kit, like this background pink. So that's why I'm letting it show. So there's that. And then I think I'm gonna pull in some of this like blue, like galaxy kind of washi. So it'd be so much easier if I was right-handed. All right, I'm turning this upside down. So I'm just gonna put this down here. To cover up the little bit of extra space. I think I'm just gonna leave it as that. I was trying to decide if I was gonna add another strip of washi, but I think it's better to just leave it. All right, so there is my sidebar for this week. This is going to be for Instagram. So, well, these really cute Facebook stickers, but like I never do anything with Facebook really. All right, Instagram. I feel like this dark blue will go well. So these are from Piper Paper Company. This is one of her $2 Tuesdays. These are the bright colorway. Put that down. I don't think I need to mark that this is my thesis stuff. And then we'll see how I fill out this part. Okay, so for the day by day, for each of the days, I'm just gonna put my shift at the top of the to-do list, just like I've been doing. Yeah, I have like nothing else scheduled this week. I just need to do my shift and I need to do a ton of analysis and writing. So my week is like super boring and I am sorry about that. I do have a bill due on Wednesday. So I'm just gonna stick that down here at the bottom. Right there. That's just, it's not actually really a bill, it's just to transfer money oh, there was an Instagram on here. It's fine. Transfer money to my husband's account so that we can pay the bills out of there. Thursday, I have an online learning symposium. So I'm going to use a half box or a quarter box for that. Basically, this is just a session of people talking about ways that we can improve online learning. I kind of want to use a backpack because it feels like very school, like I'm going to a class, you know? I actually kind of think this color might work. Is that crazy? Or do I need the next darker version? No, I kind of feel like this really bright neon, like green yellow color actually works, which seems crazy, but I'm gonna go with it. These are from Chasing Shells. I just cut down the sheet. These were from one of her grab bags, so I don't know if they're available in this form right now or not, but I do think she still has this sticker. It might just look different. So that's for the online learning symposium. And then that's like all I've got scheduled right now. So I am sorry that this is like the most boring plan with me ever. I feel like I need to shift this like, all right, there. That seems pretty flat. Yeah, so I'm gonna fill in the tiny amount of stuff I have. I'm gonna use this little cat pen again from iHow. Bought it on Amazon. Super fast, quick and easy because I had nothing to say. So I'm sorry about having the lack of stuff to say. I am excited about the like bits of gold. Hopefully I will have some more to include in there. And if you stick around for just a second, you can see how this week turned out. All right, guys, this is what the finished week turned out like, and I love how it looks. It seems very springy for sure, but almost like it could be summertime, which I am so excited for. All right, so why don't we just go through everything and I will tell you what's not from the kit. If I don't tell you what it is, then just assume it's from the kit, I guess. So going down the sidebar, this little Instagram icon is from Piper Paper Company. These little skinny washies I think are from Amazon. And then this washi at the bottom is from AliExpress. All these headers are 2 skinny washies that I also think are from Amazon. Everything else on Monday is from the kit. Tuesday, this comes comes from Fat Cat Designs in a sampler I had. And then this bubble tea is from Sassy Apple Studio. Wednesday, the pizza is from an Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby. On Thursday, this backpack and also this little girl are both from Chasing Shells. For some reason, I damaged this backpack just slightly, but I think it still looks fine. Friday, the little olive is from a little book that I got at Michael's. Let's see. Saturday, everything came from the kit, and Sunday, everything came from the kit. So yeah, this was really nice to not have to add too many extra things. I actually have a few leftovers. I have some icons, a couple of large flags, and a couple of tiny flags, which I moved to this sheet just so that I don't have to store extra sheets. Alright, so that is what it looks like. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see these spreads in progress, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!